Hello guys, malakaw na kita guys. Malakaw ako guys. Tara na guys. Tara na. Bye bye. Bye bye press. Malakaw na lang ko. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bear, tara na Bear. Yan na nga guys. Iniwan na natin yung iba. Tara na guys. Ako bahala. Tara na. Bear. Bahala, tara na. Hindi kita masakay. Let's go.
Inang init pa.
Malakaw na lang kita guys.
It's so fucking hot, man.
Tamayo man sinda masasakayan dyan. Maparahalat pa sinda. Paggalat.
Kahit di ka aligo. Ina magayonin yan.
Kakahalat ninda.
Naka-arog ka lang kanyo.
Kakahalat lang ninda.
Garayag balls guys.
Mayo.
Garayag balls guys. Tutok mo. Halig.
Ayun nga po. Yan na po ang vlogger ta. Ayun na po. Magilo ka po. Owner of
Hi
vlogger.
guys. At lang. Madali lang.
Double check po. Double check po. Ano po tiganap mo owner? Barta. Babay owner. Tara na po. Ika na.
Sana makapot.
Magilo.
Hi guys, I'm back again. So, hindi ko na na-videoan guys yung pag-swimming namin because biglang nag-shutdown yung phone.
Ano? Hindi mo nag-shutdown itong...
So, anong part ni? Anong ano ni? Day, anong lugar ni? Pichilitos po sa San Felipe. So we're trying to walk through the exit. So medyo malayo-layo to guys. Pagpunta namin, we tried to walk but unfortunately it's so far. Kaya nag-tricycle kami. And now walang dumadaan na tricycle as you can see guys. Walang dumadaan. So lakad-lakad na muna tayo. So, it will take about 20 to 30 minutes at least. Depende sa lakad nyo. But, sa lakad namin, approximately 20 minutes will do. 25, ganun. So, tara. Maglalakbay pa rin tayo. So, medyo nakakapagod. I don't want to go home, but unfortunately, it's quite a stressful day. Even though we have fun, of course, stress will always be there. Kaya, medyo malayo pa tayo, so tayo na muna magsasama habang binabaybay natin ang daanang ito. It's quite an amazing experience, but also it's a stressful due to the tinulak kasi nila ako guys, no? I don't want to swim, but unfortunately they push me into the pool. So yeah, nabasa tayo. Medyo malayo-layo pa talaga guys. I'm dizzy right now. Tingnan na. Itong kinakanta Subago, di lamang ko nabasag duman. Nahilo pa. Kaya nahihilo ako. So, babalikan namin kayo kasi medyo malayo-layo pa to. I'm going to continue it if nasa kalahati na kami ng daan. Peace. So update, malayo pa kami. We're still trying to walk through it, but unfortunately wala pa rin. It's kinda hard, lalo na pag malayo. Sabayan mo pa ng init, so I don't know if we can still, but I think we can. We just need to wait. So, babalikan ko kayo guys for the another update. I'll be right back. So guys, update. Sabi niya malapit na daw. But I think, oh yes, malapit na kami. I can see the building kung saan kami sumakay kanina. So, after all that we've been through, nakarating na din kami. Still walking. Tawa. So, So, update ko kayo guys kung nakasakay na kami. Malapit na rin to. So, yeah. I'll be back again. So, update guys. Sasakay na kami. I just want to say thank you for all the support that you give. And, if you want to see me, going around and documenting all the things, just comment down below. But I can assure you that I will continue to do things like this because it's fun and I learn things, especially sa mga lugar. I'm not very good at, places, but we are learning. So lahat na pag-aaralan. So I think, yeah, I can continue this kind of thing. So just want to say thank you, and this will be the end. So ayan sila guys. Ang layo ko na pala. I want to take this time to say thank you for almost a minute, I think. Yes, na pinanood nyo to. I'm really thankful. So I'm going to end this now, and yeah, I really do appreciate. So dito na matatapos. See you for the next journey. No? Bye. Peace.